In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Jira. Getting your time zone right is really important because it affects how issue creation times, due dates, and activity logs appear. If your Jira looks like it's living in a different country, this quick adjustment will fix that. Let's start from any Jira screen where you can see the top navigation bar. Look toward the upper right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your personal account, rather than the project itself. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Account Settings. Sometimes it might appear alongside items like Profile or Manage Account, but you specifically want Account Settings. Click that option. This will take you out of the project view and into your Atlassian account management page, where you control things like profile details, security, and preferences that apply across Jira and other Atlassian products. Once the account management page loads, look for a section or tab called Account Preferences. This is where Jira and Atlassian store settings that affect how information is displayed just for you. Click on Account Preferences. If you have multiple tabs like Profile and Visibility, Security, or Billing, make sure you're in the one clearly labeled Account Preferences, since that's where the time zone setting lives. Inside the Account Preferences area, you'll see several options such as language, region, and time-related settings. Find the field or drop-down labeled Time Zone. Click on this Time Zone option. A list of available time zones will appear, usually organized by region and city like America, Europe, or Asia, followed by specific locations. Scroll through the list and select the time zone that most closely matches your current location or working region. If you work with a distributed team, it's usually best to set this to your own local time so that timestamps make sense for you. After selecting your desired time zone, make sure it's applied. In many cases, Jira will save this automatically, but if there's a save or update button on the page, click it to confirm. Once that's done, your Jira account will start displaying dates and times according to the new time zone, making your project tracking much clearer and more accurate.